The Xiaomi Smart Projector L1 is a highly portable, plug-and-play budget projector aimed at casual home entertainment. With native 1080p resolution and the ability to downscale for Kelvin input, it provides solid visual clarity for its price range. Key strengths include built-in Android television, autofocus, auto keystone correction, Google Assistant, and solid Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity. It's extremely lightweight, roughly the size of a large water bottle, making it easy to move room to room. The onboard speakers are fine for casual use, making this a true all-in-one media device, no need for extra streaming sticks or audio accessories. However, its major limitation is brightness, just 200 lumens, which confines usage to very dark environments. Even a nearby lamp can wash out the picture. The sweet spot for projection is up to 80 inches. Going larger leads to noticeable softness and blur. While corner focus and some software quirks may also be present, they're generally minor. Final verdict. The L1 isn't a universal projector. It is worth trying.